Hi guys, welcome to Sins of the Forest with myself, MavMads, and Granger when he feels like turning up.
Nope.
There's one across.
Let's get into it.
I want a wabbit.
I want a wabbit.
I want a wabbit to kidnap.
I might have to go make a trap deeper in the forest.
Yes, agreed.
Yeah, to be fair, I haven't really seen rabbits around here.
I've seen them for a hill, just nowhere near us.
You're probably better off in the flat a bit where we built.
I don't really remember where that is.
Just up there a bit.
Who's sprinting about?
Yeah, I can hear moving, but I'm just gonna go sleep and pretend I can't hear
I
it.
hear multiple footsteps.
Alright then.
Who's that holding out a torch outside my wall? Out my window?
Who's in the tree?
Oh no!
Right!
Oh
So
no!
you're telling me someone in the trees?
Oh, okay, that's where the torches came from.
Ow. I can't see. Give me a minute. I'm giving them some more
Go,
visuals.
go, go! Oh my god! Go, go! I'm dead. Thank you. Oh my god.
Loki scared, like what?
I mean, how are we doing a bloody boss fight?
Ow! Fucking that thing on the campfire, mate. Oh my god, wait, what? Look at them as they burn.
I was surprised the body burns.
No, but like, there's actually like an animation now. I used to just appear into bones.
My door's just wide open, but we'll just leave that.
You got a red guy behind your door.
No, I don't need a lock. Oh no.
I can see even less.
It's been 6 hours. 6 hours.
Oh, he's bled out for sure. So where?
I can hear movement behind my house. That's definitely where
you!
it's coming from.
Yeah, there's two.
Jack, come down here then!
Mate, he's at the back of my house.
One dead.
Oh, Vegas is dead.
I'm dead.
So
Yes,
maybe
sir,
on
I
the
just quickly
floor.
clarted one.
Maybe on the floor.
Oh!
Is that us all?
No, we're fine.
Oh.
I'm knocked.
Okay, we're not fine. Okay, fine again.
I need stamina. Oi!
Oh my god, I've just
Not
chopped
by
off. I've chopped off the other guy's head as well.
You're right, Kelvin.
Yeah, I hear cannibal noises. We'll be fine.
No!
Yes.
We was in fact fine.
I probably came sort up and said mates and dipped.
Jack, come here. Look what I did to one. Literally, I came out, chopped off his arm, and just left him.
If you come
Lay
on
down.
here, no, come on here. Literally, I got up my house, jumped off, bang, straight off. Look at his head, cleanly cut.
Bike's pretty sick, isn't they?
They're quick, but they're only really good on a beach or anywhere with not
Or if
trees.
you have been driving.
Yeah,
Or if you
or
just-
for decent at the...
Or
if
if
you
you
just-
are doing, ride them off a cliff.
Or if you just break every single tree in the game, then it'll probably be alright.
Nah, it's good anyway, Trails.
That looks a little bit dodgy.
What's going on this time?
With the ass.
I've just watched. I've just watched a man chase a woman. It's a trap.
There's a
What is
big...
it? So cannibals.
It's an armor.
Oh, you're not lying. Have you come to the bottom of the beach? I'm gonna have to censor that.
I'm dead.
Oh, there goes your arms. How did that not kill you? Oh my god!
So I'm just gonna loot the camp on there.
Harvey, look at the bodies. When you hit the abyss, just all their limbs fall off.
Mate, Virginia baited me. Virginia did.
Oh.
Are we ready to go?
Yeah, let's go. Oh, there's an orange thing on the map. We'll go to that first. Buffington refused to acknowledge what his place is, not even counting what my team has been finding on the other side of the island. Surveyors going missing, our workers turned up dead. If you won't deal with the
Oh, is it one
situation,
of these
I will.
guys?
Giant you. Oh, Giant you's the guy that shoots you, isn't he?
We'll find out then, boss.
I don't think this is a scary cave, if I'm correct.
Also, that hanging spinal cord every 10 seconds.
Blueprint.
Nah, it's
Hang
just
glider thing.
Ah,
Oh,
that's okay.
That's the.
It's a jumpy pad.
Yo.
And the entertainment bunker, boys.
Trying to do electricity.
Long.
I'm like 10 million arrows.
And what is this? Sick from Timmy.
Might try and do some electrics when we go back.
That's what I've done.
Yeah, in crossbow in there. Or is that the other one?
No, not this one. There's nothing down there. There is, but you need a keycard.
Yeah, I got that.
This ain't Katana Cave, is it?
Parallel
further
universes and the travel between them. Oh, it's by Timmy. Forgot about that.
To be fair, we'll even print.
Arrows.
Arrows. Loving the cheeky arrow pointing towards the leg. Ooh, fair play to you.
I'll do 3 of these and you lot do what you want.
Next episode, grappling hook, yeah.
You already know.
Man, don't talk about pressure.
After this, head back.
Oh, oh well, if anyone wants another date. Yeah, I was literally just driving, just run up a road. Like, what are you doing?
More accurate there.
Have you seen the video where like the guy's driving and the deer just jumps through the window?
And his name is John C.
Like the windshield.
I
What's
think
it?
man.
Oh, when the Saints go marching in.
I'll be
Oh,
questioned.
when the Saints go marching. Well, if you weren't so busy sat on TikTok, you'd have deer hides right now. Why'd you have
What are you yapping about?
Well, I think, yeah, we all know it's you, mate. Well, I was in his house.
I guess it was me then.
Surprise, normally.
I mean, if you lot see the arm, that's me using my arm.
Who's like tweaking?
That was me after he seen the arm.
I was trying to work out what am I hearing.
You're not mad.
What beanhead's been placing stuff in my house?
Kelvin's definitely filled it in.
There's no blueprint.
Might have been.
Yeah. Solar panel. Wires.
Oh no, I don't have anything as the supported structure. Make it like. Oh! My bad. There's a plug in there. Elvin, you a jingle bell? Oh.
Yeah.
Thoughts for the leads are going right here.
Oh, for God's
good.
sake.
I'm just leave now.
Yeah. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry, I ended a bit shortly. See you in a bit.